Hi everybody, Holly here from HolliDay AnyDay, and I'm in my outdoor kitchen today because it's so beautiful, and we're gonna make a whole Branzino. Now, don't be afraid of making a whole fish. It's really easy. You just go to your fish market, have them scale, and take the guts out. If you want, they could chop the head off and chop the tail off, but we kind of like it like this. My husband likes this part, so we do it that way. So anyway, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna cut some slits in the skin. My knife needs to be sharper. There we go. See how we've done that? We'll do it on both sides. We'll give you some nice grill marks. Nice and crispy, okie doke. Then, all I'm gonna do is, I've got some herbed salt. I love this herbed salt. You can use regular kosher salt, that would be fine, but I love this herbed salt from Italy. Sprinkle the cavity a little. Let's take our pepper. Super easy. I'm gonna make it real simple. This isn't even a recipe. Fresh lemons, just stuff a few inside. Some fresh herbs. Today I'm gonna use Italian parsley and thyme. Whatever you have would be fine. It'd be, I don't think I'd use sage, but dill would be fine. Oh, thyme is fine. Oregano would probably be cool too. Just tuck those little guys in there. Close them up. Let's go ahead and give them a little coating on the outside. Now I've preheated my grill to kind of medium high. It's going to be real quick, so you don't have to worry about too much. Okay. I will take this over the grill. We'll give them a little olive oil and be ready to go. Okie doke, let's take this over to the grill. We need to add that olive oil, just a teeny bit. Just enough to just grease them up just a little bit. We're gonna get some nice crispy skin here. Like I said, it's not really a recipe, it's really easy. Do not be afraid of this. Okay, that guy's ready to go. Let me wipe my hands. Then, we've got our grill ready. Like I said, fairly hot, kind of medium high. Let's hit it with a little cooking spray. Be careful. I know they say you aren't supposed to do this, but I do that anyways. Okay. And then we're just going to give the guy, set him on there. And we'll probably give him about 5 minutes per side. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes. Let's see how he's doing. Probably time to flip. Ooh. So see, it starts to get a little bit crispy. And the easiest way to do this, take 2 of these guys, and he should come right over. See, look at that. Oh, gorge. Look at that crispy skin. Oh my goodness, okay. We'll give him 5 more minutes, then we'll pull him off. Okie doke, it's been about 3.5 minutes. My grill's kind of hot, so I'm gonna check it because I think we're probably ready to roll. Oh my goodness. Look how pretty that is. Just like a restaurant. See how easy that was to do? So be careful and pull this little dude off. It's flaming up because there's a certain amount of oil on the fish. And then let's just take him and we're gonna let him rest for a sec. Okay. So we'll just let him rest for a few minutes and I'm gonna show you how we're actually going to plate him. Okay, I let our little guy rest for a few minutes and all I've done, super simple, easy presentation. Pretty platter, some fresh herbs, preferably what you've stuffed him with. Let's get him. He just sat here for a sec. And let's be gentle with the little guy. Slide him right there. And maybe we just add a few pretty lemons out front. And take him to the table just like that. It's easy breezy.